Well, hey everybody, Martika here with Martika J Makes. Welcome, you guys. So, this video I'm blaming on all of the amazing sewists in the sewing community, okay? I am blaming it on all of you because this is something that I said I wasn't going to do this year because of my great failure last year. And I am talking about the Make 9 challenge. You guys know that I just told you in my last video that out of my Make 9 that I had planned for last year, I made one, okay? One out of all of the patterns that I showed. So as I'm going through my Instagram, I am seeing just all of these amazing charts on everybody's plans on their Make 9. And I'm like, you know what? It's making me feel a little left out, because that's what we do. Sometimes we feel left out of things. But I said, maybe if I take this at a different angle, like I see some of the other sewists doing, then I can make this a bit more successful and most likely complete all of my 9 before the year is up. Seeing as how I'm already working on one of them now. So I sat down, I did some searching and some researching on some things that I know that I want to get done this year. And I went on ahead, you guys, and I made myself a Make 9 chart. So to share with you, I am bringing it here first since I told you guys here that I wasn't doing it this year. Well, I am. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Everybody, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and thank you for joining me. So, number 1 on my Make 9 list is, like I said, I'm working on this now, so I get to check one off when it is completed, and that is a handbag. You guys know that I am working on my inspiration bag from the tote bag, the Marc Jacobs bag. And this was from my Sewing High End on a Budget. But I listed this because I will tell you 9 times out of 10, this is not my only handbag for this year. Okay, so this is just the start, but at least it gets me checked off the list. All right. Number 2 on my list are jeans. I have never made myself a pair of jeans. I have never made jeans, okay? I've made things out of denim, but I have never made a pair of jeans. And so I do know that is this month's Sew Your View on Instagram, but I am already working on a couple of other things, so I did not get into participate in that this year. And this year I have also promised myself that I'm not going to rush through anything like I did on some projects on last year. I want to take my time and really enjoy the process of what I am doing. So I knew that I couldn't slow down enough to do those jeans to join the Sew Your View. It may be something I post for my entry a little bit later, but I do plan to do jeans. So that's number 2 on my list. Now, I'm probably not going to sew these in this order. I'm just giving y'all the 9. Number 3 I have is a dress. I do plan on making another dress this year. I don't know if it's going to be I'm probably going to make more than one dress, especially for the spring, summer, maybe something like a sundress or something. Definitely want to make another shirt dress. I do have one to show that I made last year that I never got around to doing the review on, but I do want to get another shirt dress in if possible. However, I will be making another dress. The next one I have down, number 4, is a jacket. And I have a couple of jackets in mind that I kind of want to choose from. Who's to say, may end up making them both. But I'm definitely making a jacket this year. And then number 5 I have down is a skirt. I actually have a couple of skirts that I started on last year. Actually almost finished one, but I realized I cut the wrong size and it was a bit too small. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna make a skirt this year, maybe a couple, depending on how easy and quick they are. Number 6 is a jumpsuit. I need more jumpsuits in my wardrobe. So I definitely know that I am doing another jumpsuit. I know that I'm gonna keep it kind of more on the casual side, but something that I can put on some like some heels with, some sandals with heels, and just kind of dress it up a little bit. But I do want it on the casual side too, to where I could put it on with some flat sandals or some tennis shoes, you know, and be really casual and comfortable in it. Number 7, I do plan to make a lounge or jogger set, so to speak. When I say like a lounge set, it will be something, of course, that I can lounge around the house in. But if I need to, say, make a run to the store or something like that, then I can do that. I can just throw on some shoes and go in it as well, and it'll be fine for the public. The next one that I'm going to do, number 8, I plan to do a blazer this year, you guys. With my jeans that I will be making, I know that if I want to dress it up, I want to put a blazer with it. The blazer that I do have, I just have a couple. They're too big now since I've lost weight. So I need to make another blazer, depending on how easy it is, maybe even 2. So we shall see. I do have a few blazer patterns to choose from. And then number 9, last but not least, I do plan to make a shirt or a blouse. I don't know what type. I don't know if it's going to be dressy with the puffy sleeves, or if it's just going to be a button down. But I will be making, should I say, a top, okay? So those are my make 9s for 2024. Instead of going through patterns, I just love the idea of just naming some pieces that that's going to be made, and just kind of sticking with that. That to me, for me, is more doable versus sticking with the patterns, especially when you have new patterns that come out. You have older patterns that you forgot about, and I like to kind of stick with what I say. So this gives me the opportunity to have the options of patterns that I want to choose from, but still doing the same pieces. So by doing this, I do believe that this Make 9 this year for 2024 will be a whole lot more successful than what it was in 2023, which pretty much didn't happen. So definitely subscribe to this channel if you have not. We have a lot of fun here. We have a lot of real talk here. So definitely do that. I will be keeping you updated on my Make 9s as I check them off of my list. And I will also be posting them on my Instagram page. So stay tuned, you guys. And thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.